This is my honest airBaltic review. Jet bridge, nice touch in the cold weather. Business class, wow, it's economy for us. Headrest, pretty comfy. Seats are well padded and fairly comfortable as well. 3 on one side, but only 2 on the other. This is a smaller plane. Legroom is good, but this is an emergency exit row. Some airBaltic planes have internet. That's pretty cool. Aircon works, but it's really warm on here. All in all, clean, well lit and well arranged Airbus 220-300 aircraft. It's a good write-up for a good airline.